So let's start with volatility contraction. This is taking too much time. So in this figure, what you see that this first candle is your mother candle, and high and low of this candle is act as a zone for the other next candles. And the thing to notice here that these all next prices will be under this bigger body candle. Okay. Now see this in this figure. What you see in this box, when first candle was your mother candle, and after that candle, these wicks will not be counted. These all candles are within in this mother candle zone. And what happened after when it breaks the zone, there is a big move in the price. So this is volatility contraction when price was within this zone and contracted for the long period of time, and when break this zone, it goes for the long journey. Okay. So this is the Bank Nifty 1 hour. Now see here. First, this candle was your mother candle. And after that, see the next candle's price. You have to consider body, not the wick. So this candle body is within this range. And when the range is broken, see 34,800 to 35,606. This much volatility comes in the market when this zone broken. Now see here again, price was within this contraction zone. Wicks are not counted, only body will be counted for the next prices. See? So the mother candle was holding the price in this zone. These are their childs, and when it breaks, it just goes for very high volatility comes in the market suddenly. This is some stock chart. This candle, first one, was your mother candle, and it hold the price, and these are their children's. So here is the data. So this is the volatility contraction, and you should see this in little bit bigger time frames. Okay. Now my main topic of today's, first of all, you have to understood that how candles work. So this is the red candle, suppose, and these are the wicks. So how red candles work? First of all, whenever market create the red candles at the end of the day, first of the all market open here at this point. This is the open of the market. Okay. So after open, what market do? It just goes against in the direction in which it will close in the end of the day. So it open here goes above. Why it goes above? It searching the liquidity. Okay. So searching the liquidity here. Everybody is mute. Okay. After taking the liquidity, what it did? It closes here. After again taking the liquidity in opposite direction here. Yes, same, searching the liquidity in opposite direction. And now market close here. So this is the way how red candles work. Now do the same thing for the green candle. But green candles each do the same thing opposite. It opens down, search for the liquidity lower side and close above after searching the liquidity above side. यहाँ मार्केट लीव कर दिया स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, यहाँ पे सो कॉल पुट सेल कर दो. यहाँ पे अपना एसएल यहाँ पे रखो 100 points, 200 points, because when market leave this box, it will come back again to retest. There is a possibility of this retest. Now see, suppose you mark this and market open, gap down here, taken the order from your mother candle box. See how this is rejecting the above price above. And after rejecting it, fall. So this concept is for your long, like swing trading, because if you get this direction right, you will be get huge profit. Okay. Here. Now when market leave my box, I will enter, I will put my SL, suppose here. But why I care about the hitting of the SL when I can get how much profit? Just because of this little knowledge, just of this much. I think this is 1000 points move. Then market leaves the structure here, come again to retest. Here is the retest and reject. So when market was retesting my box, it was rejecting my price. See, first here leaves. Now see this with the reply. See again here. There is a momentum in the candle. When you mark this, this is 1 hour time frame. So you have too much time. And what happened here? Market was leaving my box with the momentum. Ideal target is nothing, na. What I teach you that what market do always try the what? Hit the stops of the old high or old low. So what happened here? When market leaves this, what market is doing here? It just clearing the stops. First here stops clear. Here stops, this stops, all of the stops are clear. Now the problem with the Indian market, they will not give you entry. This is the problem. See, if you find this box, this was your target. And you can get this entry no matter what. Because market first, leave your box with the momentum, come again, retest, rejecting. So when market rejecting your box in 1 hour time frame, you are sure that I will get the large profit from here and market will clear the last high or last low stop. Here, clear. Now see the same concept here. First, market watch trying to leave my mother box here, but retest time it failed the test. So this is the fail of the retest. I will not enter here till my market not leave my box clearly. Next here again leaving the box with momentum here. So here is the confirmation that my price leave my box. Come again to retest. Okay, retest pass. So what after do the retest? What I tell that this is 1 hour time frame target. What? Previous high and previous low. Now see the previous low of the candle here. See the perfection here. Okay. What it did? Clear the stop here. So you cannot get the very good entry. See what happened here. What I say, the wicks will not be count, and this is my mother candle, and for that day whole 6 hour market was consolidation within my mother box. And what happened here? Market goes down with the momentum, come again to retest my box, and I will enter in the retest for the small SL with only 1 or 2 lot, lower my lot. So when market goes in my direction, I will get the profit booking here. First profit should book here. Consider the body always, I said. So your target will never miss. Second here. And consider the body of the next swing low or wicks, always your target will hit it here in this region. And when market start going in your direction, start adding the quantity. Take the profit here, start adding the quantity. So you think that market will clear more stops. See here, what happened here? Mother candle was holding the price within whole day. And the next day, what happened here? When price leaving the box with the momentum, come again to retest. Okay. Now go for the long targets. See this target if I get or not. But if you know that this is what? My order block. Now you enter here with the mother candle concept. It should get hit, but it did not hit here. Okay, because there is also a order block long term here. So this was also a order block. Actually, what I teach you in the lecture that this is my order block, but actually in reality, if market candles goes like this, and comes like this. So what my order block is, hold this 4 candle, because this should be red. No? This whole one side red candle movement is my order block. So this is my bullish order block. This whole area is my bullish order block. And what I teach you that this is my 1, 2, 3 structure, and enter the either here in the structure, second point, or here, or the scale divide. So I teach you entry points because you cannot enter in the market here because your SL is too much long in these candles. Okay. So main problem in this entry is chance is very less. So why you want to become millionaire in 1 month? Take the entry when market give you entry.